Hi, this is Breaking Bad. Today I'm going to be giving you the solution to the assignment I gave in the previous video. So, in the previous video, first of all, I gave a task and says you should remove this and make sure you return your coin. So I said you should make sure you return your coin from your function. So I'm going to be returning the coin from here. And then also, I said you should remove this also and also return your wallet from this function. I'm going to be doing right here. I'm going to be returning your wallets here. Then lastly, I said you should also create a last function which we're going to be calling deposit. Yeah. Then these are the deposit function we're going to take two things. We're going to take our wallet and we're going to be passing our immutable reference to our wallet. Head of type currency. And also we're going to be passing our coin, which is going to be coin of type currency. Which we have type currency. Then over here we're specifying the currency also. Then we're going to be putting the coin in your wallet. So I'll do something like wallet dot coins dot pushback. Then I'm going to be pushing our coins here. So coin. So that will be it for our function. So let's publish smart contract again. So let me put in the terminal to Sui clients publish. So we successfully published our smart contracts. So now let's call our smart contracts using the CLI. So let me come here and open another terminal. First of all, let me open my command prompt. So let's something like Sui clients ETBs b dash help. So right now these are the functions that a PTB have. We've done that before. So let's come here and make Sui client PTB. Now first of all, we're going to be using the move call. So if I go down here, you see the move call. So let me just copy that. If I move call, you notice that first of all, we have to pass our package ID. So let me come here. Okay, come here. Let me just copy this. Let me get rid of this first. So first of all, let me save our package ID to our terminal. So let me just export it. Export package just ID, and I'll make it equal to. Let me come here and copy our package ID. Choose this. Let me copy it and come down here, paste it. So let me come and do Sui client TB dash move dash call. Then for our move call, if you notice, first of all we have to specify our package ID. So since you already are putting our package ID in our terminal, let me put in the last sign, then package let's go ID then two columns. We'll specify our module, which is going to be generics. Name is generics. Then lastly, you're going to put our function name, which is going to be mint coin. So first of all, I said you should call this function, which is going to be mint coin. So let's pass in mint underscore coin. Then secondly, notice we right now we have a type argument, so you have to specify that. So if I come back here to PTBs, you will notice that secondly we have to specify our type argument, and specifying our type argument, we have to put it in column in quotes. So we don't close our terminal. You have to put it in angular brackets. Then right now I have two currencies here which I defined, and they are coming from first of all my package ID. So I have to specify again my package ID. I'll put in a dollar sign and package underscore ID. Then I'll specify my module also, which is going to be coming from wallet. Then I'll specify type, which is going to be right now. Let me use USD. I created currency, so let our currency be USD. USD. If you notice, that is going to be our currency here, the mint coin. Our type here is going to be currency, and this is currency which is specified in our module. Then secondly, I'm going to pass in the arguments. So our arguments right now, if you come here, the next thing after type argument is our function argument. So for the function arguments here, then just passing 1000. Then just leave it like that. Then thirdly, I'm going to assign it. So right now, if you notice it, this mint coin function returns a value. So I have to pick up that value. So I'm going to pick it up and assign it. I'm going to assign it to coin, which we have here. Look at the assign over here. So I'm going to assign it to coin. Secondly, I'm going to make a move call again. So let me just copy this code here. Let me copy. And let me paste it again. But this time it's going to be, instead of mint coin, it's going to be second. Like it, your second thing you're trying to do is to create wallet. So it's going to be create underscore wallet. Then yeah, our type argument remains the same, but right now our function does not take any argument for creating wallet. So I'm going to remove this here, and I'm going to be assigning it to wallet. Thirdly, I'm going to be pasting that code I copied again. Paste function. I'm going to be calling my deposit currency function. So right here, I'll change this to deposits. If you notice, our type argument always remains the same, and also we don't take. Okay, I will take into values, which is going to be our wallet. So we're going to be passing in come here now to remove call. You see, we're going to pass in our function argument. So our function takes in a wallet, and first of all, we specify the wallet as an output. So if you know that, if you look at it before, if you come over here, you create wallet. This our function returns the wallet, and we assigned it to a variable called wallet. So right now, we're going to pass in that wallet over here. Then our second argument also is going to be the coin, which is this coin here, which was the input route from our first argument. So I'm going to pass in the coin. But this assignment, we don't need it because right now, this our deposit currency function does not return anything. Mind you, there's something we should do again. Remember that when we created the wallet here, we created the coin and the wallet. Firstly, we passed the coin and the wallet and the coin to our deposit function. But we passed in the wallet as a mutable reference. So this wallet we created is still pending. This wallet here is still pending. So we have to transfer it to a user. So I'll come here, and if I go back to my terminal again, you see something like transfer objects. Yeah, this is it here. So I'll copy it. So for transfer objects, notice now we have to specify the object you're transferring and where you're transferring it to. So right now, I'm going to put this again in a quote. Then I'm going to be specifying the objects in a bracket. So it means square brackets. So what am I transferring? Wallet. So if I was to transferring more objects, I would just specify them here. But right now, since I'm already transferring more objects, which is going to be wallet, I'm going to specify that. And lastly, I'm going to be specifying who I'm transferring it to. So I want to transfer it to our wallet address. So I'll come here and copy our wallet address here. Then mind you, you have to put this at first since you're putting since we're putting wallet address, so place our wallet address here. So this now, these are to work with PTBs. So if you look at it, PTBs are very easy to like work. We're changing all these transactions into one. So we run them at once. Let me go over it again. First of all, over here, we call the move call. We specified our package ID, our module and the function. Then the next one that came second was our type arguments here. So if I come here, so our type arguments. Secondly, thirdly, then came our arguments here, which was the value 1000. We had to assign the output here. That's assigned to the value called coin. Then we made the second move call again, where we still specified our package ID, our module, the function, and our type arguments. But this time, we did not have arguments, so we did not specify that. Then we assigned the output also. This assign the output to wallet. And thirdly, we made a move call again to call the deposit function. We specified our package ID, our module, and our function. Then we also specified our type arguments over here. So take notes. First of all, you have to put it in quotes. Then you have to put your type arguments in square brackets. Always take note of that because those are common mistakes you might make when starting off. And then thirdly, we're passing our arguments. So our function takes two arguments, which is our wallet and our coin, and we have assigned those two to a variable before. So we're passing it right now, our wallet and our coin. But mind you, we're passing our coin as a mutable reference. Yeah. So after that, right now we don't assign because our function does not return any value. But this our wallet is left hanging. If I don't transfer it, the object, its transaction will not run. So normally to no one, so we have to transfer the objects. You have to transfer the object to our wallet. The coin has already gone into here, our wallet. So we have to transfer the wallet to user. So right now we're transferring the objects, which is going to be our wallet. So we can specify multiple objects over here. But right now, since we have only one object, we put it in a square bracket. So mind be careful of that. Always put the objects in square brackets. Then specifying we're transferring the wallet to. So in the putting an address, don't forget to put this at here to show that it is an address. So right now, I'm going to be calling this function. So let me click on enter. Let's switch for a while. Let's add a function. On. Okay, there's a mistake somewhere. So let's check to see where the mistake is coming from. Let's go to the top here. First of all, we saw that module not found in package generics. Okay, yeah, we made a mistake. Let me correct that. So let me click the up arrow button to correct that. This generics is our package name. So our module name is going to be wallets rather than generics. I made a big mistake there. I'm sorry for that. So you have to be very careful. So right now, I have to change this to wallet. Not generic. Generic is our package name. So wallet is our module name. You have to specify our module name. That's where the mistake came from. So here also, I have to change this to wallet. And here also, I have to change to wallet. So let's try to run attention again, and hopefully this time we don't find any errors again. So yeah, we successfully called the function and hopefully there was no error again. So let me copy our created objects. First of all, this was going to be our wallet. So let me copy it here and let me head over to Explorer. Okay, let me refresh Explorer. So let me put it again. This is our created objects. So you guys now look at coins here. We have our coins here. So that's it. So this is solution to the assignment I gave previously. I hope you're able to get it. It's kind of tricky because first of all, using P2Bs again, the goal of giving the assignments, number one, learn how to use P2Bs properly, and number two, also learn how to use multi-type arguments. So here's the solution to the assignment I gave previously. I advise you go back again to watch the tutorials and also go over the assignment again. Hope you did it on your own, and that's it for this video and for generics. We're done for generics. So thank you very much. If you have any question, ask them in the comment section or feel free to DM me. My handles are below in the description section. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.